Did you enjoy our lesson about Venn diagram? Let us now continue our lesson on solving problems on sets using Venn diagram. Again, I'm Mr. April Ray Salisi, your teacher for today. After this video lesson, you are expected to solve problems on sets using Venn diagram. So let us start our discussion. We can use Venn diagram in solving problems involving sets. Thus, we are no longer placing each element of the set in the diagram, but rather their cardinality or number of elements in each region. So dapat tandaan nyo na ang ilalagay na po natin sa diagram ay hindi yung mga elements, kundi yung cardinality. Let's have now example number 1. Dan and Pia have 30 common followers in TikTok. They have 450 followers altogether. If Dan has 290, how many friends does Pia have and how many are not in Dan's list? Step 1. Draw a Venn diagram starting with the rectangle for our universal set U. Then two overlapping circles representing the following sets. Set A, set of Dan's followers in TikTok. Then we have set B, set of Pia's followers. Then for step 2, write the cardinality 30 in the intersection of set A and set B, since Dan and Pia have 30 common followers. Step 3. It is given that Dan has 290 followers. This number includes the 30 common followers has with Pia. Since 290 minus 30 equals 260, you can write 260 in the region designated for A minus B or A only. Step 4. Note that Dan and Pia have 450 friends altogether. This number is the cardinality of A union B. Since 450 minus 290 equals 160, the set B minus A or B only has the cardinality of 160. Thus, Pia has 160 followers in TikTok who are not follower of Dan. Let's proceed to our example number 2. Use Venn diagram to answer the questions below. 90 students went to the canteen. 3 had hamburger, milk, and cake. 5 had milk and hamburger. 10 had cake and milk. 8 had cake and hamburger. 24 had hamburger. 38 had cake and 20 had milk. The questions are: number 1, how many ordered nothing? Number 2, how many ordered cake only? Number 3, how many ordered milk only? Number 4, how many ordered hamburger only? And lastly, how many ordered cake and milk but not hamburger? Step 1, we have to draw a Venn diagram starting with rectangle for universal set U. Then 3 overlapping circles to represent the following set. Set A for hamburger, set B, set of milk, set C, set of cake. Step 2, when solving problems involving 3 sets, the easiest way to do is to start from the intersection of 3 sets, from the inner region moving outwards. So we have 3 had hamburger, milk, and cake. So that is the intersection. So write the cardinality tree in the intersection of three sets. Step 3, 5 had hamburger and milk. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. Write 2 in the area of hamburger and milk only. Step 4, 10 had cake and milk. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Write 7 in the area of cake and milk only. Step 5, 8 had hamburger and cake. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Write 5 in the area of hamburger and cake only. Step 6, 24 had hamburger. So we have to add 2, 3, and 5, then subtract it from 24. So we have 14. Write 14 in the area of hamburger only. Step 7, 38 had cake. So we have to add 5, 3, and 7. Then subtract it from 38. So we have 23. Write 23 in the area of cake only. Step 8, 20 had milk. So we have to add 2, 3, and 7. Then subtract it from 20. The answer is 8. Write 8 in the area of milk. Step 9. Add all the cardinality of the regions. So you have 14 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 23 plus 7 plus 8 equals 62. Since 90 students went to canteen, subtract 62 from 90. So we have 90 minus 62. The answer is 28. Write 28 inside the rectangle outside the three circles. Now, let us answer the questions. Number 1, how many ordered nothing? In our Venn diagram, we can see that there are 28 cardinality outside the three circles who can be found in our universal set. So, there are 28 students who ordered. Number 2 question, how many ordered cake only? In the given figure, we have set C as for cake. So, in the area for cake only, we have 23. So, there are 23 students who ordered cake only. For our number 3 question, how many ordered milk only? In the given figure in our Venn diagram, set B represent milk. So in the region for milk only, we have 8. So 8 students ordered milk only. Number 4 question, how many ordered hamburger only? Letter A or set A represent hamburger. So we have here for the section or for the region for A only or hamburger only, we have 14. So 14 students ordered hamburger only. And for our last question, how many ordered cake and milk but not hamburger? So this area is for cake and milk. But we notice that this area is for cake and milk and hamburger also. So we are looking for students who ordered cake and milk but not hamburger. So we can say that 7 students ordered cake and milk but not hamburger. And that is the end of our lesson for Quarter 1, Module 2, Solving Problems Involving Sets Using Venn Diagram. I would like to congratulate you for participating in our lesson. Again, I'm Mr. Abel Rizadisi. Thank you, keep safe, and God bless.